Hey guys, Vig here. What's the fastest, easiest way to money right now in 2021, even if you are starting out from scratch? Well, it's hands down affiliate marketing. That's right, affiliate marketing. It's not Shopify, it's not e-commerce, it's not, drop shipping, it's not creating your own products, it's not consulting or coaching or masterminds, nothing like that. Listen, affiliate marketing can absolutely change your life so fast. It's unbelievable. This is how I was able to go from zero to generating over $11,500 per day consistently, and how my life completely changes through affiliate marketing. Opportunity could not be better right now. This is where you simply connect with other multi-million dollar companies that already have amazing products, and they pay you commissions for selling their products. And you can be location independent. You can live from, work from anywhere. You can live anywhere. You can run your business from anywhere in the world and make big money. Just in the last week alone, just to give you an example, I started a campaign just selling another company's product. Just in the last week, we were able to generate over $600,000 in sales in just like 7 days. It's crazy, right? And I did not have to customer service anybody, didn't have to deliver the product. This is the most lucrative business model. Now, here's the thing. If you're gonna do affiliate marketing, you wanna make sure that you do it right. If you wanna learn how I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm literally like in the trenches doing this. Obviously, I'm teaching other people as well how to do it. I'm holding a free masterclass. It's a deep dive masterclass. I show you where I get my offers today, right now. There's a private network we go to. It's not ClickBank, it's not, JVZoo, it's none of those things. I show you how I create my marketing systems that sells for me and makes me money even when I'm sleeping, 24/7, nonstop, right? And I show you where I get my traffic. I reveal this and so much more to you in this free masterclass that I'm holding. You can register, click here somewhere around this ad and register yourself for the next upcoming session. Let me change your life.